Hey everyone, Erica here from Worx Review Hub. Are you ready to kick manual mowing to the curb and let a robot give you a perfect lawn? Today I'm super excited to dive into the Worx Landroid Vision model WR220, a wire-free robotic mower that's a total game changer for medium to large yards. If you want a pristine lawn without the sweat, stick around and grab it on Amazon using the referral link in the description for the best deal. Let's jump in. Let's start with the feature breakdown. The Worx Landroid Vision WR220 is designed for lawns up to 1-2 acre. That's about 1780 square feet, making it perfect for medium to large yards. It's powered by a 20V 5.0 AH battery, which comes with a charger, so you're ready to go right out of the box. What sets this mower apart is its wire-free navigation, no boundary wires needed. It uses a 140-degree wide-angle HDR camera with AI to map your yard, recognize grass, and avoid obstacles like trees, pets, or lawn furniture. You can control it through the Worx app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, letting you set mowing schedules, adjust cutting heights from 1.6 to 3.1 inches, or manage multiple zones with included RFID tags for divided lawns. It's got a rain sensor, so it heads back to its charging station if it starts to pour, and FiatLux headlights let it mow safely at night. The 7-inch cutting width ensures a clean cut, and the battery is part of Worx's PowerShare system, meaning it works with other Worx tools. Plus, it gets smarter over time with over-the-air software updates, and you can use magnetic strip barriers to block off areas like flower beds. Now let's talk about pros. This mower is a dream come true. The wire-free setup is a huge win. No digging or laying wires, so you're up and running faster than with traditional robotic mowers. The AI camera is incredibly smart, learning your yard's layout for more efficient mowing over time. It's super quiet, so you won't disturb the neighbors, and it's eco-friendly, running on battery power instead of gas. The fine clippings it leaves behind act like natural fertilizer, keeping your lawn healthy. The app is intuitive, letting you schedule mowing from anywhere, work, vacation, you name it. The headlights are a cool touch for nighttime mowing, and the compact design makes storage a breeze. For medium to large yards, this mower delivers professional results with zero effort. On the con side, the price is on the higher end, so it's an investment up front. It's best suited for relatively flat yards. Steep slopes or very uneven terrain might make it struggle. If your yard is super complex with lots of obstacles, the AI might need a few runs to fully optimize its path. It's designed for up to 1-2 acre, so if you have a smaller yard, you might not need all this tech. And for much larger properties, you might want to look at the Worx Landroid Vision WR235. Also, optional accessories like extra magnetic strips or RFID tags for complex yards can add to the cost. So, should you buy the Worx Landroid Vision WR220? If you've got a medium to large yard and want to save time while keeping your lawn flawless, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for busy homeowners, parents, or anyone who wants a low-maintenance, high-tech solution. The wire-free design, AI navigation, and eco-friendly operation make it a standout for 2025. Just make sure your yard isn't too hilly or packed with obstacles, and you'll love the results. This mower is all about convenience, quality, and giving you more time for the things you love. Before I wrap up, hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this. And don't forget to click the referral link in the description to snag the Worx Landroid Vision WR220 at the best price from Worx Review Hub. Special promotional pricing is waiting. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe. See you in the next one.